$500,000 reward offered for information on Paul Well's daughter and her mother. Increased security measures at Maypen Hospital following attack on nurse. Murder convict found dead in cell at General Penitentiary. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A $500,000 reward is being offered for information that will assist or lead to the safe return of Member of Parliament Philip Paulwell's 10-month-old daughter, Soraya Paulwell, and her mother, 27-year-old Tessina Patterson. The Southern Regional Health Authority says it has put in place additional security measures at the Maypen Hospital in Clarendon following Sunday night's attack on a nurse at the institution. It's reported that about 11 p.m., the nurse was repeatedly hit with a stone by a man who is apparently mentally challenged on the hospital's compound. An inmate at the Tower Street Adult Correctional Center, formerly the General Penitentiary in downtown Kingston, was found dead in his cell at the facility on Monday. Dead is Leroy Bailey, who was serving time for murder. In a release, the Department of Correctional Services stated that the inmate, who was alone in a cell, was found with a piece of cloth tied around his neck sometime after 7 a.m. on Monday. He was taken to the Kingston Public Hospital, where he was pronounced dead. The Independent Commission of Investigations has been informed of the development.